Hello and welcome to Pregnancy Info. Today's video is about the question you mostly ask, that how long after giving birth can you have sex? Here is everything new parents need to know about postpartum sex, including when it's safe and when it will feel like. Sex is probably not a priority in the first few weeks and even months after giving birth, and that's okay. Whether you delivered vaginally or had a C-section, it takes time for your body to recover. Plus, with most of your energy focused on your new arrival, getting back into the mood might be difficult. Although the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists says there is no time for women can start having sex after giving birth, many experts recommend waiting 4 to 6 weeks before you get back in the sack. Regardless of how you gave birth, your body is recovering during this time. If you had a vaginal birth, you may have had an episiotomy or a perineal tear. That's healing. If so, sex prior to 4 weeks postpartum could leave you susceptible to a vaginal infection. If you had a C-section, the same postpartum sex recommendations apply, though for many moms who gave birth via cesarean, recovery takes a little longer. Your practitioner may recommend waiting at least 4 weeks after the procedure to restart your sex life. Your incisions take time to heal, so it's especially important to get your practitioner's approval at your postpartum appointment. Now, you will ask that what will postpartum sex feel like? You just brought a new life into the world, and even if you sailed through your pregnancy and had the easiest labor and delivery, your body needs time to heal. Low levels of estrogen after birth and while breastfeeding can also contribute to various sex-related discomforts. There are a multitude of postpartum sex experiences, and every female is different. However, you can experience vaginal soreness or pain, vaginal dryness, discharge, breast discomfort and nipple soreness, backaches, and overall achiness, joint pains, incision pains, or numbness. How soon can you get pregnant again after giving birth? Do you think so? Believe it or not, you can get pregnant again before you even have your first postpartum periods. It's technically possible to go from one pregnancy to another without having a period in between. Since it is difficult to know exactly when you will ovulate before you start having sex again, talk to your doctor at your postpartum checkup about birth control options. Here are some tips to ease back into sex after having a baby. Even if you have gotten the green light from your practitioner and you are excited to get hot and heavy again, you should still take things at your own pace. To feel more comfortable easing back into sex, try these tips. Number 1. Start doing Kegels. Before you even have sex, you can start doing your Kegel again. These exercises engage and strengthen your pelvic floor, helping to increase blood flow, promoting healing and improve muscle tone, all of which can help sex feel more comfortable once you are doing. Set the mood. Whatever it takes to help you relax, candles, a glass of wine, break, or massage. Take time to warm up. Your partner may not need as much, if any, foreplay, but don't be afraid to ask for what you need. Putting in the effort of warming you up can make the mean even better for both of you, so don't be shy about vocalizing what does and doesn't feel good. Lubricant. Many new moms find lubricant to be essential when first easing back into sex after a baby. Lubricants can reduce pain and help increase pleasure. Get comfortable. Invest in postpartum sex helpers like a supportive pillow, which can alleviate pressure points and help you feel more comfortable in certain positions. Assume the position. Speaking of positions, take time to find ones that feel good. Women on top or side to side might be easiest for your first few attempts at these positions. Put less pressure on tender areas and give you control over the depth penetration if you're having penetrating sex, and go to a slow, comfortable speed. Common postpartum sex problems and solutions. Just because you feel mentally ready to start having it again doesn't necessarily mean your body will follow suit. chances are a lot has changed since you has had before. You are physically healing from your delivery, your hormones may be wreaking havoc on your libido, and your family's new addition is likely draining much of your energy. Sex can hurt. Some new moms find the pain of postpartum mating in short-lived, and is anything that a little extra lubricant and some creative positioning can take the edge off in the meantime. The challenge, you are still bleeding after birth, is also a problem. You will feel a low libido after giving birth is common. After all, you are grappling with fatigue, decreased estrogen levels, and the stress of caring for a tiny new person. If you are having a dry spell, reassure yourself that it's normal and not forever. Breastfeeding makes your breast tender and leaky. Try either pumping or nursing before doing it. So, in this way, you will feel less sensitive and less full breast. Wearing your nursing bra or a tank top during intercourse might also relieve some of the heaviness you feel. One thing you have to remember all the time is that it is not feel like as it was before. It may be the result of the muscles in the vaginal area being stretched during delivery. Continuing to do your kegels can help improve muscle tone and strengthen your pelvic floor, and fortunately, they are easy to do. You can do kegels in the car, at your desk, while doing errands, or while watching TV. How to steam up your sex life after having a baby? There is no doubt that sex after baby requires a little more creativity. Privacy has gone out the window, and your exhaustion levels are at an all-time high. Here are some small tweaks you can make to your routine to help get you pre-baby heat back. Find some alone time. Even if you are not feeling up to the task, try to spend time together without your baby, either first thing in the morning or after your little one goes to bed. Schedule smartly. Are you exhausted by the end of the night? If your schedule allows it, try to set aside time during the day to be intimate with your partner when you are more likely to have the energy to engage. Share your feelings. This is the main point, that you should share your feeling with your partner. Whatever you feel, good or bad, discuss it with your partner, and it will give you the way to steam up again. So, this is all the guidance about sex after giving birth, which is very common, and many women want to know about it. So share this information with the females who are wanting to know that all about. And how do you find this video? Also share us with your precious comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.